Today we're going to change the fuel tank cap on a Stihl BG56C leaf blower. Firstly, unscrew the cap. Before you remove the cap, there is a string connecting the cap to the tank. At the end of the string there is a tiny ball. Using your torx you can carefully disconnect the ball in the tank, which will release the cap. Clip the ball back inside the fuel tank. This should be secure. You can now screw the tank cap back until tight. That's how you change the fuel tank cap on a Stihl BG56C leaf blower. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.